Hey everyone, I'm Seamus, a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration Team at Pentagon Solutions. This is the first episode of a 4-part series where we will be discussing the different BIM roles and responsibilities associated with digital construction. A BIM technician must be able to understand how a building fits together and how a building can be modeled accurately in the appropriate BIM authorizing tools and environment. Depending on the discipline associated with this role, it is common for it to be referred to as a BIM specialist for that specific discipline. An example of this is when we look at the likes of a BIM architect. This role provides a base level to progress in multiple different career paths and will likely be working towards higher responsibilities with the likes of a BIM coordinator or BIM manager. BIM specialists and BIM technicians are critical in implementing and managing the BIM processes at the early stages of the project. A BIM specialist or technician's responsibilities typically include developing a virtual model for a specific design discipline and ensuring that it aligns with the standards and goals set in the BIM execution plan and the BIM project workflow criteria. Collaborate and coordinate with other disciplines, both internal and external, to manage the design and model changes. Create BIM modeling content that is specific to the discipline. Produce accurate construction drawings and extract data based on the BIM platform for that discipline. Lastly, coordinate design documentation with full utilization of BIM software and the tools and methodology involved. Understanding the different discipline-specific requirements is difficult, even when you have the correct software and tools in place. Revit is a major BIM authorizing tool used across the AEC industry. Its functionality allows for the collaboration of multiple disciplines for coordinating and managing asset information. As a BIM specialist, Revit will be a primary BIM authorizing tool used within your organization to achieve your project requirements. Pentagon offers training courses across all disciplines to utilize your design process through to handling high fidelity data at the project handover phases. Pentagon can create tailored training courses for beginners through to advanced users, leveling up your BIM team knowledge for any project. It is important to identify inefficiencies and optimize workflow processes to reduce rework when completing a project through the use of optimizing the available software tools and correct workflow processes. Pentagon can assist organizations in the initial setup of BIM teams, acting as a third-party BIM specialist on behalf of an organization to complete a project. This initial setup is always difficult if the digital infrastructure is not already in place to complete your first project. Suppliers, contractors, owners and operators have been transitioning towards the BIM process for several years, implementing and adhering to BIM standards, creating and maintaining BIM projects, and integrating current building standards to these new protocols can be time-consuming and challenging without proper guidance. Pentagon is capable of overseeing and advising on behalf of your organization to complete these necessary requirements to become BIM compliant and improve your efficiencies. Identifying all inefficiencies is critical for the growth of any organization. For more information on how Pentagon can help, get in touch with our Digital Construction Integration team. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get notified about episode 2 of this series, where we'll be exploring the role of a BIM coordinator and how Pentagon can help your organization with this. You can follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.